Have you ever reached a point in life where it felt like everything was falling apart? A point where your plans failed, your money disappeared, and the future looked darker than ever before? I know that feeling because I have lived it. There was a time when I looked around and realized that almost everything I had worked for was gone. The dreams I had built in my mind seemed to be collapsing right in front of me. I felt defeated, frustrated, and completely lost. But here's the surprising part of the story. When everything else was gone, I still had two goats. Just two goats. Most people would not see anything special in that. In fact, some people would laugh if you told them that two goats could become the foundation of a comeback story. But those two goats ended up teaching me lessons about success, patience, discipline, and hope that changed my life forever. Today, I want to share that journey with you. Not because it is a story about goats, but because it is a story about starting over when life knocks you down. My hope is that by the end of this story, you will realize that no matter how difficult your situation is, your story is not over. It may only be beginning. There was a time when life seemed to be moving in the right direction. Like many people, I had dreams, I had goals, I had plans for a better future. Every day, I worked hard believing that my efforts would eventually lead me to success. I imagined growing financially. I imagined building a stable life. I imagined creating opportunities not only for myself but also for my family. Everything seemed possible. Then life happened. Problems started appearing one after another. Some opportunities disappeared, some investments failed, money became harder to find. The things I expected to work simply did not work. At first, I thought the challenges were temporary. I believed things would improve quickly, but they didn't. Instead, the problems kept growing. Little by little, I watched things slip away. The hardest part was not losing money. Money can always be earned again. The hardest part was losing confidence. When confidence disappears, even simple tasks become difficult. You begin questioning yourself. You begin doubting every decision. You start wondering whether you will ever succeed again. I remember sitting alone on several evenings thinking about my future. I would ask myself questions that had no easy answers. What should I do next? How will I recover? How will I start again? The future felt uncertain. The road ahead looked empty. For the first time in my life, I felt completely stuck. Many people experience moments like this. Some lose businesses, some lose jobs, some lose savings, some lose opportunities. And when those things happen, it feels like the world has ended. But one lesson changed my thinking completely. I learned that life is not about avoiding challenges. Life is about learning how to respond to them. The challenge itself is not what determines your future. Your response does. For many weeks, I focused on everything I had lost. I thought about the money that was gone. I thought about the opportunities I had missed. I thought about all the plans that never worked out. The more I focused on those things, the more discouraged I became. Then one day, something simple happened. Instead of asking myself what I had lost, I asked myself a different question. What do I still have? That question changed everything because instead of looking at what was missing, I started looking at what remained. And what remained were two goats. At first, it sounded almost ridiculous. How could two goats possibly help me rebuild my life? How could something so small make any meaningful difference? But the more I thought about it, the more I realized something important. Every successful journey starts somewhere. Every business starts small. Every farm starts with a few animals. Every tree starts as a tiny seed. Success rarely begins with abundance. Success often begins with whatever is available at the moment. Those two goats became my opportunity. They became my starting point. They became my reason to keep moving forward. One thing I quickly discovered was that starting small is not easy, not because of the work involved, but because of what other people think. Some people looked at me and wondered why I was spending time with only two goats. Others thought I was wasting my effort. Some people quietly laughed. And to be honest, there were moments when I felt embarrassed. I wanted bigger results. I wanted faster progress. I wanted to be further ahead. But over time, I learned a lesson that changed my mindset. Never be ashamed of an honest beginning. The people who laugh at small beginnings often fail to understand how success is built. Success is built step by step, day by day, decision by decision. The people who admire large herds rarely see the years of hard work that created them. From that moment, I stopped worrying about what people thought. I focused on the goats. I focused on learning. I focused on growth. The next step was creating a simple plan. I did not have a lot of money. I did not have expensive equipment. I did not have a large farm, but I had something just as important. I had determination. My first goal was simple: keep the goats alive and healthy. That was it. I was not thinking about becoming rich. I was not thinking about owning hundreds of goats. I was simply focused on taking care of the two goats I already had. I improved their feeding. I made sure they had clean water. I paid attention to their health. I worked with what I had. That is another lesson many people miss. People often focus on what they want before taking care of what they already have. But growth usually comes after you learn to manage small responsibilities well. As time passed, I realized something important. The goats could not grow beyond my knowledge. If I wanted better results, I needed better information. So I began learning everything I could about goat farming. I learned about nutrition. I learned about breeding. I learned about disease prevention. I learned about housing. I learned from experienced farmers. I learned from mistakes. And trust me, I made plenty of mistakes. Some mistakes cost me time, some mistakes cost me money, but every mistake taught me something valuable. One lesson I learned is that failure is only expensive when you refuse to learn from it. If you learn from your mistakes, they become part of your education. Months went by. The progress felt painfully slow. Sometimes I looked at the goats and wondered whether my efforts would ever pay off. I wanted results faster. I wanted growth sooner. But farming has a way of teaching patience. Animals grow according to nature's timetable, not yours. You cannot rush breeding. You cannot rush growth. You cannot rush success. Every day, I simply kept doing the work. Feeding, cleaning, observing, learning, improving, and then one day the breakthrough finally arrived. One of the goats gave birth. I still remember the excitement I felt. To someone else, it may have looked like an ordinary event. To me, it felt like the beginning of a miracle. Those newborn kids represented more than animals. They represented proof. Proof that patience works. Proof that consistency works. Proof that my efforts were producing results. For the first time in a long while, I felt genuine hope. And hope is a powerful thing because once people regain hope, they regain strength. As the herd slowly GRE, I faced another important decision. Should I spend the money I earned or reinvest it? The easy option would have been to spend it. After all, there were many things I wanted. There were many needs in my life. But I knew something important. If I consumed every profit, the farm would never grow. So I made sacrifices. I reinvested. I improved housing. I improved feeding. I strengthened the farm. Sometimes the best investment is not buying something new for yourself. Sometimes the best investment is strengthening the thing that creates your income. The journey was far from easy. There were challenges everywhere. There were diseases, there were feed shortages, there were market problems, there were moments when progress seemed to stop. But by then, I had changed. The person who once wanted to quit had become stronger. Every challenge became another lesson. Every obstacle became another opportunity to grow. I learned that successful people are not those who avoid problems. Successful people are those who keep moving despite problems. Year after year, the goats multiplied. The two goats became four, the four became eight, the eight became 12, the numbers kept growing, the farm began generating steady income. My financial situation improved, my confidence returned, my outlook on life changed completely. But the greatest reward was not the money. The greatest reward was discovering what I was capable of. I learned that setbacks are temporary. I learned that starting over is possible. I learned that losing everything does not mean you are finished. Sometimes losing everything forces you to build something even better. Today, when I look back at that difficult season of my life, I see it differently. At the time, it felt like a disaster. Now I see it as a lesson. Losing everything taught me patience. It taught me discipline. It taught me humility. It taught me gratitude. It taught me resilience. Most importantly, it taught me that success is not about where you begin. Success is about refusing to quit. If you are watching this video and you feel discouraged, remember my story. I did not start with a large farm. I did not start with hundreds of animals. I did not start with a lot of money. I started with two goats, just two, and those two goats became the foundation of a completely different future. So before you give up on your dream, ask yourself one question: what do you still have? Because the answer to that question may be the beginning of your comeback. Do not focus on what you lost. Focus on what remains. Start where you are. Use what you have. Work with what is in your hands. Be patient. Keep learning. Keep growing. And never underestimate the power of a small beginning. Because my journey started with two goats, and those two goats changed my life forever. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next farming guide. See you in the next video.